Welcome to Let Me Fix This. Enjoy the video.
You begin by confirming service and device compatibility. If your carrier or plan lacks visual voicemail, it won't work, so check first. Next, open the phone app and go to Settings to look for visual voicemail or voicemail settings. Many phones use a built-in or carrier app. Once done, enable data or Wi-Fi and prepare your voicemail PIN. You'll need it for activation. Make sure notifications are allowed so new messages appear as tiles in the app. You now activate visual voicemail by opening the visual voicemail section or installing the carrier's app. Tap to set up, enter your voicemail number and the PIN when asked, and accept permissions. The app needs access to storage and notifications to save and show messages. During this step, grant contacts or microphone access if the app requests it for transcription or playback. If activation stalls, toggle airplane mode briefly or restart the phone. This forces a fresh connection to the carrier network. Finish by testing. Call your number from another line, leave a message, and then open the visual voicemail app to confirm the message appears and plays. Make sure transcription and sync settings match your preference so new messages push immediately. If playback fails, force stop, then reopen the app, update it in Play Store, or reboot your phone. One key troubleshooting tip. If messages don't appear, contact your carrier to verify visual voicemail is activated on their side and that your voicemail PIN is correct.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.